Ready to transfer your USDT from Bitvavo to Binance efficiently? Let's begin. Start by accessing your Binance account. Click on Deposit Crypto and select USDT from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Next, it's crucial to select the correct network. ERC20 is generally the most cost-effective option for USDT transfers. Make sure Bitvavo supports it, then select ERC20 network in Binance. Now, copy the provided USDT deposit address from Binance. Ensure accuracy, as this is where your USDT will be sent. Log into your Bitvavo account and locate the Withdraw section, typically under Wallet or Assets, and then choose USDT. Paste the USDT deposit address you copied from Binance into the recipient address field on Bitvavo. Input the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. Before confirming, double-check all details, the address, amount, and network. Ensure everything is correct, then confirm the withdrawal on Bitvavo. Bitvavo might require email or 2FA verification. Upon confirmation, the transfer will commence. Return to your Binance deposit history to track the transaction's progress. The time needed varies depending on network congestion. Once the transaction status shows completed, your USDT is in your Binance wallet. Congratulations, you've successfully transferred your USDT.